patterns, I would happily do the experiment or the observation. And I will happily do the experiment or observation. But I do not understand astrotometry yet, okay? Maybe I'm just stuck in my current understandings of what light is. I understand that. It's difficult to step and change from a heliocentric to a geocentric or vice versa um, perspective on things. But I don't know what perspective I'm even trying. If somebody was saying the perspective is that the sun is in the center of the solar system and I thought it was the earth, I would understand that transformation. It might be hard for me. I might not want to make the transformation, but I could understand what was being asked of me. I don't know that about astrotometry. I don't know which of the laws of physics that I know I'm supposed to forget. I don't know where does the model diverge from my current understanding? Is light still electromagnetic waves, particles? Does it travel through time? Is there probability waves? I don't know what you're saying, so I wouldn't know where to check. I don't know how to check to see if astrotometry is correct because I don't know these deals. Other people evidently think they understand your model because they're saying I should um, entertain thoughts about your model, but I don't know what your model is. Okay, I don't understand what you're saying about the relation between sunspots and hurricanes. I mean, how is that different from? I mean, I have heard theories about sunspots affecting Earth weather before because there's a lot of matter that's ejected, and if it's ejected towards Earth or even away from Earth, it can affect the magnetic field. There's a lot of ways that might affect Earth, and I just don't understand what what you're saying your model is. Okay, and it's confusing to me. And yeah, it might be because I'm set in my ways, but I'm doing my best to try to understand what the differences are because see, I can try to understand your model without having to agree with it. And I'm not even entertaining the question of whether I agree with it now. I'm just trying to get what I can from your model to even understand what the model is supposed to be. And I don't think that's a criticism of your model necessarily. I just need to know, is light, you know, electromagnetic radiation? What laws would I, as somebody that believes in the standard model more or less for now, what am the standard model? What is it that I'm believing that I need to give up? I don't know. I don't know what you're asking me to change. Where do I have my ideas centered now that I'm supposed to change the ideas? Because I accept all the things about paradigm shift that you've told me. I accept that observations are experiments. I mean, all I'm asking for is observations that uh, that cannot be explained with the current system that your system does explain. And if you want to say the correlation between sunspots and some theory on Earth, okay, we could exhaust that. But what correlations are you saying exactly? I don't really get how to do the calculations within your model. It's not meant to be, you know, it's not meant to be an insurmountable problem, patterns. I mean, you have a model, we can make calculations with it. I just want to know how to do that so that I can, test it for myself with observations. And observation, experiment, the words are synonymous as far as I'm concerned in this context.